Okay, yesterday we started going over five-finger patterns. Yes, we went over the formula. What is the formula?
Beginning note.
First note.
Whole step.
Whole step.
Whole step.
Whole step.
Half step.
Half step.
Whole step.
Whole step. And it doesn't matter what key we start on. If we follow that formula, we are going to get a major five-finger pattern. True? Okay. So we went over five-finger patterns, which are in your book on page 43, yes? We talked about writing out your five-finger patterns on page 42 and 44. Okay. Let's talk about hand over hand arpeggios, can we? Hand over hand arpeggios start on page 61. Does anybody know what an arpeggio is? Harp-like? I can believe that.
Broken up chords.
It's broken up chord. It's broken up triad. A triad is a three-note chord. So if we are in the treble clef, we have our home note middle C, we have a skip above, we have a home note G. That is a C major triad. And it sounds like this. But we're going to break it apart and play one note at a time. That's an arpeggio. And we are going to do them for the midterm, hand over hand. So watch me. I'm going to go left, right, cross the left over, cross the right under, and play one note. So left, right, single note. Just like it's written out for you on the bottom of page 61. We're only going to use pinky 5, 3, and 1 in both hands. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1. Now, how can we find our triad if we're doing a different key and we're not sure? Dun, dun, dun. Let's say we're doing the key of D, shall we? So first note, whole step, half step, whole step. There's my five-finger pattern. If I can find my five-finger pattern, I'm going to get rid of my second note and my fourth note, and I get my arpeggio notes or my triad. Did that make sense? Let's do it in a different key. Let's do it in the key of E. E, up a whole step, F sharp, up a whole step, G sharp, up a half step, A, up a whole step, B. I'm going to erase note 2 and note 4, and I get my major triad for E major. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Questions? Hearing none, seeing none. So, also on our pass-off sheet, besides our five-finger patterns in all 12 keys, we're also going to do our hand-over-hand arpeggios in all 12 keys. You can go in any order you want. There she is. It doesn't matter what order you go in. Doesn't matter to me. Okay? Questions?